Hello, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen and I love drawing. And since as an artist you never stop learning, that's what I do and that's what I've been sharing here on Draw Tip Tuesday every week since 2013. I share my journey and I share what I learn. And since I love drawing, I do it every day. And so I fill a lot of sketchbooks. And today I want to show you my sketchbook from March and April. Some of the pages might be familiar to you because I showed them. They are the pages that I filled in Paris. And after that I had lots of other adventures that are also captured in my sketchbook. And while I flip through my sketchbook, let me talk about something that I get a lot of questions about. Because over the years I've been teaching, I cannot even count how many times I've been asked, how do you develop a drawing style of your own? And the answer is, you already have a style, even though you might not realize it. It's your very own, just like your handwriting. And you probably pick it out from among thousands of others in the blink of an eye, as long as you stay curious. And you know, your style changes over time. I can see that in my sketchbooks. I recognize my hand in all of the pages, but the style has really changed with everything that I've learned. As long as you stay curious and you keep experimenting and playing, this is how you make discoveries. You gain more skills and you learn new techniques, and all of that influences your style. If you're curious about a particular technique or a drawing tool, then don't hesitate, but just dive right in. Observe how others do or use it and try to mimic that. Try to find out how you can implement it in your drawings. It's very important that you try it yourself a lot. Some of it will become part of your style, some of it may not. And just by trying it, that's how you find out. Learning is all about practice, practice, practice. And by doing so, you will develop confidence in your drawing skills more and more. Fill your sketchbooks with things that suit you. If you draw things that are familiar to you, that surround you, that relate to a particular interest, or that you're curious about, the pages that you will fill, they will add up to become a story about your life. That could include the dirty dishes that you drew just for fun, so you didn't have to do them yet. Or the shoes you kicked off, the laundry hanging out to dry, a car that's parked out in your street. Everything is interesting when you draw it. I love going through other people's sketchbooks, so I really hope that for you this is inspiring too. I also made a book, and that book is filled with my sketches, my drawings and my writing. And the goal of the book is actually, to me, when I started making it, that it would feel like you would be flipping through my sketchbook pages. And very soon you can buy my book. I will put the link below the video so you know how to find it once it's out. Have a very inspired day. Go draw something, fill one of those sketchbook pages, because page by page you will fill your sketchbook. And then you can start a new one and another one and another one. Have fun! I'll see you next week. Bye!